Hi, class. So I want to invite you to your English 1B course, and I want to go over the syllabus as well as some of the work that you're going to be doing on Canvas. First of all, I want to let you know that this is an asynchronous course. That means that we are not going to meet in any particular time or place, but all the work is posted for you on Canvas, and you're going to work on your own time, and you're going to do the activities by the due dates. And the way I know that you're online is because I will get all the times that you record in and out. I will get a printout of that. It's on my files. So you are required to participate in this class 3 hours a week at least, and you can access it at any time. I would prefer that you access it at a time when you're most alert and awake. You should also be aware that this is like a class. It's an asynchronous class, but it's a class. And so it's as if we're meeting in the classroom at PCC. So I would really like it that you have a notebook and you have a pen and you take notes. And actually, as we are doing this right now, please take notes with me because this is a very involved class, and I don't want you to get left behind. First of all, here is my email, and I'm going to show you a different way that you can also access my email. There's a link here to the course syllabus and the class readings, which I recommend that you print out or you download it someplace on your computer, because all the readings that you have to do for the course are going to be on this page for you. And you see where it has a little link? That's what you're going to click on, and it'll take you straight to the link. My email availability, in other words, when I respond to emails, is Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5. So if you send me an email on Friday, I will not respond until the following Monday. So please keep that in mind of my email availability. I am also going to have office hours for us during the spring semester. And my office hours are posted right here for you. And I have a link in the modules in the pages on how to make an appointment for my office hours and what it is that you're going to be doing. This is the syllabus for the course. Our textbook that we're going to be reading mostly is called Literature to Go, and my copy is right here, and it's Literature to Go, 4th edition. Please get the correct edition, because if you do not have the correct edition, then you're going to get the pages wrong, and you need to get this book. You also need a copy of The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison, which is a novel. You can get that novel like I have, the electronic version. I have it on my iPad, or you can buy the print copy. It's available in the bookstore, or you can, if you can find the PDF copy online, that's fine with me too. I don't have any problems with that. The book that the Rules for Writers is our handbook that we're going to be reading using this semester. And that's a reference book. You probably should have had one in English 1A as well. And many times when you're writing your essays, because you're going to be writing research-based essays, and you're going to have a works cited page, I will be referring to Rules for Writers, certain page numbers for you. So you need to have the copy of that handbook with you all semester long, and also to make references for your research paper. You also need a copy of the American Heritage Dictionary for vocabulary words that you may find that you need to look up because the vocabulary may be kind of difficult for you this semester. So you're going to be writing 4 essays, and you're going to be doing weekly discussions, and I want to talk about that in a minute. And you're going to be also doing a research paper, and on the week of the final exam, you will be doing a final exam online here. Everything's on Canvas, obviously. This is the grading breakdown, so you need at least 700 points to pass this class with at least a C or better for the course, and you get points on all your work that you do. Now, this is the syllabus, and I just clicked on Syllabus in your Canvas page. And if we move out here, just want to, these are what are in Canvas. When you access Canvas, what you actually get is something like this. And these are called shells. So for whatever class that you're going to go, you click on the shell. Your page isn't going to look quite like this because I have the instructor page. But what I want you to notice here, this semester, we're going to be doing assignments right here. We're going to be doing discussions, and we're going to also have a quiz at the end, which is the final exam. Now, remember this. I would like you to click on modules. So right here, I'd like you to write this down. Modules, please. Write this down. So if you click on modules, what you get, you're not going to get this right away. You're going to get this starting the first day of class, which is the 16th of February. So my modules are my pages for the course. These are what are considered instructional pages. And do you notice that I've numbered them? So if you have a question about any of the assignments, please put the module number. And so we start with module 0. We're going to go to module 1. We're going to go to module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, and then the final exam, which is the last module. Now, all my pages are numbered, so please make sure that when you ask me a question to give me the module number so I understand which question it is. Okay, and a lot of this in the 0 module is going to be, I would like you to actually go into the pages. So if you click on a page like this, if you find something like this happening, just click on the link and it'll take you straight to the video. So on these pages, I have videos and I have instructions for you. The first module, 0.1, this video will be on there. I'm just making this video, so it's not on there yet. But it talks about the class. It gives you an introduction. I would like you to take notes on these pages. And then I have links to videos as well on the pages so that you can take a look at the videos and watch these videos and take notes on the videos. So these, the first page is this one video that I haven't uploaded yet, but I will by the time you open this module. And then how to meet me on office hours. And oftentimes, if you ask me a question, I will tell you the answer is in module, whatever module that I give you. So then when you're done, you just click on next and you just go to the next page. And sometimes it's just a video with a link. You will do that, or just go to the next page. You have a lot of videos. And then what you will get is like a discussion. So I want to talk about these discussions because you're going to have a lot of discussions. All your discussions this semester will be on the Friday of the week that it's due. Now, I want you guys to note that the due date is on Sunday officially, but you need to get your discussion. You need to answer the question and get your discussion in by Friday. And then because a discussion is like a class discussion where we talk in class, you're going to do it online. And what you're going to do is you're going to reply to 2 of your classmates by Sunday. That's why the due date is on a Sunday of the week. But your discussion in answering the question is due by Friday. And then that'll give your classmates a couple of days to respond. Now, if you do yours early and your response comes in early, that's fine. You're done if you do the 2 classmates. If you do not respond to 2 classmates on these discussions, you will not get the full amount of credit. You will lose 10% for each item that you don't follow. So if you don't follow the question, you lose 10% for that. If you don't respond to 2 classmates, if you respond to 1, you'll lose 10% for each classmate that you don't respond to. So you can potentially lose 20% of the grade because you didn't respond to one of your peers. So please keep that in mind. When you are doing your work, I'm sorry, you will get here in this area. You don't see it now because I haven't published it, but where it says upcoming assignments, there'll be a list of upcoming assignments for you once I open the modules, and you will have the due dates right here. So if you go under assignments, it will have every assignment that I've opened. Right now you have 0 on it, so don't look because I haven't really opened anything yet. I will open the module 0 and module 1 on February 16th. So, and then after each few weeks, I open up a new module. Now, you also have in this class the course readings, and if you click on this link, it takes you to the syllabus. So here's the syllabus to the class. It basically says the same thing, but also it has here a breakdown of the readings and what you have to read in our textbook. So when I'm referring to these readings, the chapters and the page numbers, they're from Literature to Go. Now you can get this book. You can get the book, the ebook version of it, or you can get the print book. You can order it through the bookstore, or you can order it through Amazon or any other bookseller site. You can rent the book, which is the cheapest. You can rent the book and get it on an iPad and do that there and do all of your readings in that place. Or you can get the print book if you prefer the print book. So you have a lot of options on how to do it. Please don't ask me how much it costs. I don't know. They change the price of the book every semester. So this is the reading schedule for this semester. And please review this prior to starting this class. And you should have some sort of calendar and planner of dates to write due dates and things in there of reading assignments. You can even put it in your book if you prefer, but you should be aware of due dates that you have that you're responsible for, so you can keep track of everything. And you can just print this out for yourself. So I have a direct link on my syllabus that goes straight to that. After I grade your paper, you will get your grades over here. If you have a question and you want to see me on Zoom, you can make an appointment with me on the calendar and we can make an appointment. So I do have a couple of videos on how to make an appointment with me during the semester. And so I suggest right now that you read the syllabus very carefully. Once the 16th happens, and I'm sending this video a little early for you, just so that you can get a heads up. I've already opened the syllabus a few days before the class started, so you can take a look at the requirements. But please take this class seriously, and if you have questions, send me an email and I'll reply to you. Obviously, we're not going to meet on I'm sorry. Obviously, we're not going to meet on campus this semester because we're in the middle of a pandemic and the campus is closed. And the school suggests that you do not go to campus. I won't be there. So you can access the whole class via online. And just in order to be successful with this class, I really suggest that each page that I've created for you in your modules, that you read it carefully and you do the work very, very carefully and you take notes. Please have some notes while you're doing this. So if you're gonna, if the only resource that you have to do this class is on your cell phone, then you're going to have to find a place that you can sit and have some time alone, because it's like we're all a class. And one of the reasons why I have the discussions, and we have a lot of discussions in this class, is so that you can interact with your classmates and you can talk to them. Also, if you click on people, which I don't want to do for the sake of the privacy of everybody, if you click on people, you get all the names of the people in the class. You can email your classmates if you have any questions. I'm on there too, and there's a little box that looks like a mail, and you can click on that to email me. I will also be sending out in your email how to email your professor on Canvas, so you can access that as well if you don't know how to email a professor on Canvas. I've sent this email out. I've sent emails out to you. I think this is going to be the second email because I'm going to send you a first one. You can always reply to the emails that I send out as well too if you need to contact me. So I hope we have a great semester. This looks like it's going to be really a nice weather this week. I don't know, maybe we'll have some rain, but let's have a nice semester. It's going to go pretty quickly. It's only a few months into this year that we're going to start 2021, and this class will be over by June, early June, so it's going to go very, very quickly. So I'm looking forward to reading all your papers. I'm looking forward to reading your discussions. Please know that I do. Even if I don't reply or respond to everything that you say, I read it very carefully, and I really enjoy reading the work that you do. So you will be getting a lot of videos from me, and you will be getting a lot of emails from me this semester as well, just to let you know. All right, bye.